G'day, let's have a quick look at this Technico radio. It does seem to be having some issues with the mounts, like move the switches, you can see it moving up and down. Bit of rust. There we have it. One wire going to the aerial. Old school looking speaker. Just need to take that out. Ah, here we go. It comes out nice and easy. Probably been dropped in here. These have broken off, which is a bit of a shame. That one there as well, and that one's completely gone. It's not looking good. Try and glue them back on, and maybe a bit of tape for strength. We'll see. So I'm just going to use this toothpick as a post for extra strength. Well, they're holding now and they feel quite sturdy. Which now means we need to get this off. Well, I really don't know what to do here. It's like, it's just flopping around. It's not gripping anymore. I can see a little screw. Looks like it's fallen out, hiding down the back. I might be able to see it on camera. You can hear it though. So that means I'd have to take this face off. Is that even possible? I'm not going to damage the face trying to get to the screw, so if anyone's got any suggestions on how we might fix this, please leave a comment. For example, I can push this in here and hold that screw out, so if I can pull it up with glue or something in. Perfect, but this is the original nut. Screw to a point where I can just screw this on so it's not flopping about. But it's not moving. Maybe fixing this job. Not that the toothpick was designed for this. Well, it's in nice and tight though. It's not falling out anytime soon. Not that wire going anywhere, it's not supposed to either. And now the dial's come off as well at the back. So a little bit of glue around the edge. Just pop it into place. Last but not least, the volume knob, which I must admit I've never actually even tried. Overall, as far as radios go, it looks pretty cool. I did like the dial, but it really does sound awful, and without being able to tune it, it's kind of useless. That's the Technico radio for you. Market fine.